Hi guys, Bruce here. Well, I've had this one come in before. I'll show you in a second. This is a Honda 2200 watt EB2200. I think I'll take that sticker off. You must have bought it from them. Instructions on here: gas shut off gas to stop. That's a good idea. Then the carb is empty. But this one, he says, won't stay running, won't even start. So the first thing we got to do is try it. Okay. Choke. Gas on. Now it was leaking from the carburetor a little bit, right? So we'll just give her a yank. Ooh, almost, eh? Let's try it without the air filter. Sometimes just the air filter provides that little extra clog, right? Good. There we go. There aren't very many hours on this machine. It wants to start. And if we get it to start a little bit, we will see if we can get electricity out of it before we even start working on it. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to plug something electrical into this thing for a little more. Okay, so it produces electricity. We don't know what the voltages are, but that's good enough for now. We can take the carburetor off and start from there. A little better light. I think that's an 8mm to get that carburetor off of there. And turn off the fuel. At least it's metal on metal, right? Oh, look at that. Now it's a 10mm, right? Yeah. Oh, that one comes off from the other side. 10mm ratchet wrench. Let me wipe that gas up off the floor too. Whew. Oh yeah, the last bolt. Good. Okay, on these Hondas, they haven't changed much over the years. We'll do a zoom, see if we can pick it up. Yeah, baby. You see that rod right there? We want to pull it up. We'll take this little tiny surge spring off first, like that. Right, it's gone. And then we open the carburetor full throttle. And we take this off like that, and that should come off except for the fuel line. And I'm going to just get some fuel line pliers. 3/16 I believe these are, not 1/4. Good. And that should come out. Oh, that's the choke arm, so. Get back on there. I don't want to change that gasket unless I have to. Good. Alright, there's the carburetor. Let's just go. Whoa! So our problems are in the carburetor. It's not sealing and it's flowing over. It's just soaked in fuel. I can feel it. Now this was about 3 years ago since I worked on this one. I don't really remember it because I probably just did this carburetor and that was it. Quite a bit of gas came out of there, and a bit of junk too. Okay. So I'm going to just have a look at that. And then I'm going to wash my hands. Now we might have picked some crud up from the bowl, from the dish too, so. Yeah, pretty dirty. Pretty dirty.